Hi, this video will show you how to get your StockX discount codes.
Hi, so in order to get your StockX discount codes is that according here is that they usually sent via email or text. For this is there's no rhyme or reason, but they tend to happen toward the end of the selling quarter. So also you can also check in this site right here, which is the couponfollow.com. Click in and oh, it literally can show you some coupon codes, but I think it has a subscription or oh, doesn't has a subscription. So you can just freely use this coupon code right here, and they also just have two available code for today's or for a certain day. I think it will get, you know, it will have much more for the following days or yes. In this site right here, you can actually have more codes if you like. We can have eBay or StockX, and that is all. Usually they send it into email or text.